Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back. This is our lecture number 10 regarding coordination chemistry. Bida iskis type ke samajh chase parun formulation and nomenclature of coordination compounds and formula lekhin coordination compound. Writing the formula of a coordination compound means formulation and nomenclature obviously means naming of coordination compounds. So beta, there is a committee. That committee is known as inorganic committee. Inorganic Committee of International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This committee has devised a system. A system should devise amut karna by this committee, and the formulation and nomenclature of coordination compounds is based on that system. Formula of coordination compound या nomenclature of coordination compound I'm khatra inorganic committee of International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry devise a system kurmut. That system rules likhit. Those are the rules for formulation and nomenclature of coordination compounds. Now this system for formulation of coordination compounds or nomenclature of coordination compounds is based on a principle. That principle is known as additive principle. That principle is known as additive principle, which is applied while we formulate or name a coordination compound. Now what is this additive principle? This additive principle tells us that the ligands, whether in case of naming a coordination compound or in case of writing the formula of a coordination compound, the ligands are added. Formulation khatra yus rule ya formulation ya nomenclature khatra yus principle that principle is known as additive principle. This additive principle is one of the ligands ligand karjo toy add. Now add karna is two tariq. Kith can kariu add agar is formulation karana so agar is formula asi lekhin tam sachu toy ligands add karin after the metal ion. Yani yimti ligands asan ligand in his formula ch add karin such lekhin after the central metal atom or after the central metal ion. Dayim cheez agar is naming as karin nomenclature as one of coordination compound tam satan te chi ligands add karin na one yani add karit na one magar before the central metal atom. Before the central metal atom or central metal ion. This principle is known as additive principle. Beta additive principle chona yim ligands add karin car add karin agar formula lekhan aso tel ligands lekhanes add karit after the central metal atom or central metal ion. Misal ke तौर पर अगर im example unuktan h ak example nimos we have FeCN6 here. You are seeing that the ligands are added and these ligands are added after the central metal ion. But while we name this coordination compound smaz now current ligand current add now chumagar godet vanu normal ligand and pat chuvanu now central metal ion, meaning thereby suppose agar yath me now chun me shun hexa cyano pat me iron now as per certain rules you must brought kun wucho. So this principle is known as additive principle. Chaliye, we will first see how to write down the formula of coordination compounds. Then we will move to nomenclature of coordination compounds. So first topic is about formulation. Formulation of coordination compounds. Beta, there are some rules for writing the formula of a coordination compound. Rule number 1 chuanan, write the formula of positive part whether simple or complex, whether simple or complex, followed by an ionic part or negative part. As per rule number 1, गोडनेट फार्मूला यम साथ रिप्रेजेंट करें गोडनेट कैटायन फार्मूला यूज करें चाहे सिंबल या फार्मूला दशवनी केसन मज वो अलग अलग एग्जांपल्स. सो वी विल फर्स्ट राइट द फार्मूला ऑफ पॉजिटिव पार्ट irrespective of whether the positive part is a simple ion or it is a complex ion. Ashtu wushmut simple ion kya go, complex ion kya go. So if I suppose two examples, say we have example number 1, NaAgCN whole 2. This is it. This is a coordination compound. Yet coordination compounds must goidnuk part is positively charged, that is sodium positive ion. This is simple ion. Ya yathas byak now otrubon counter ion. Use negative part atmosphere. Negative part is complex ion. So this is what rule number 1 tells us, that while we write down the formula of a coordination compound, it is mandatory to write the formula of positive part, whether that is simple or complex. Here the positive part is a simple ion and negative part is a complex ion. We have represented the symbol of positive part first, followed by the formula of negative part. Likewise, agar back example is nemo, say we have this example CuNH3 whole 4 and then it carries 2 units of positive charge and then followed by simple ion, that is SO4 2 negative ion. So agar yet coordination compounds must have positive part is formula ch godnet lekin yeten ch positive part munkenas a complex ion, use negative part at must that is a simple ion or that is a counter ion. This is simple ion. So this is rule number 1. चलिए बेटा rule number 2 चुनान the formula of coordination sphere. The formula of coordination sphere is written in square brackets. The formula of complex ion or coordination sphere, or what we call as coordination entity, this is written in square brackets. यहाँ चेस असल पर गोडनेट explain करूँ coordination sphere क्या गो, coordination entity क्या गो. It comprises of central metal atom or ion and the ligands. Then we have seen the types of the coordination sphere. On the basis of charge, it can be positively charged, negatively charged, and then on the basis of the ligand, so on and so forth. So फिलहाल इतन तो बुनकेनस छु तय complex and his दोन coordination compound his formula लेखित यात मस छु ये part coordination sphere. ये coordination sphere चेस represent कोरमुत within square brackets. देमी example मस छु this part, this is it positively charged, this is coordination sphere. Coordination sphere chase havan hamish within square brackets. So this is rule number 2 for writing the formula of a coordination compound. Now rule number 3 is again based for this coordination sphere. मे ओस वोनमुत तय एकस लेक्चरस मज कि अस वुछो coordination spheres मज कित कन छ formula लेखिन. Now today is the moment we are seeing that. So rule number 3 or rule C is for coordination this coordination sphere, that is coordination sphere must kit can lekha was formula. So within coordination sphere symbol of metal atom or ion is written first, followed by ligands. followed by symbol or formulae of ligands in alphabetical order. In alphabetical order. So अगर coordination sphere uses thavan ch within square brackets तथ मज ch गोडनेथ लेखन symbol of metal ion or metal atom, then it is followed by writing the symbol or formula of the ligands, and these ligands are placed immediately after the central metal atom or ion in the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order मज ch जरूरी था. मिसाल के तौर पर अगर एग्जाम्पल निमो, we have a complex, there it is, CO is cobalt, and this is central metal, symbol of central metal atom, and then it comprises of, say for example, 3 types of ligands. Agar ligand chart must, there it is NH3, this is ammonia, and then we have H2O, and then for example we have Cl negative. There are 3 types of ligands. The formula of ligands is placed after central metal atom or ion, but the ligands are added after central metal ion in their alphabetical order. The alphabetical order में ligand थाउन possible देलेस इमन ligand हुन नाव आसी पता nomenclature में ती बुझो वस काथ ligands कितकन ची नाव दिन फिलहाल यम साथ ammonia molecules coordination compound में नाव दिवान ची this group is named as amine group, and this is named, it has a special name, that is aqua, and there it is, this is chloro. You show us nomenclature of coordination compound rules paro. So agar nom 3 ligands act karan as ligands in the complex, say for example we have, this is ammonia, we have 4 ammonia molecules, and then we have a water molecule, there it is H2, and then we have Cl, and this is its coordination compound Cl2. Here we are seeing that it is amine, and then we have aqua, and then we have chloro. All the 3 types of ligands are placed after the central metal ion in their alphabetical order. Yemis is coordinate A, yemis is coordinate A. तो ताइशपाई alphabetical orders में कितने चेस groups तवान, and then A is followed by, we'll switch to the next alphabet, that is M, M is Q, and then M is coordinate number, pati Q is number, so it is CO, NH3 whole 4, amine first, followed by aqua, followed by chloro. So this is a rule C or rule number 3 for the formulation of coordination compounds. This tells us that within the coordination sphere is most coordinate zaruri lekin central metal atom or ions symbol, and this is followed by placing the ligands immediately after the central metal ion, and the ligands have to be placed in their alphabetical order. We cannot write down it as CO, Cl, NH3 whole 4 and then H2O. So the ligands are supposed to be placed in their alphabetical order. So rule number 1 is mana coordination compounds must imsatanis formulation karne as positive part lekho is godnet path negative part irrespective of whether positive part is simple ion or a complex ion. And then rule number 2 was one of the coordination sphere used that is placed within the square brackets. So rule number 3 is one of coordination sphere as much as central metal ion ya atom thaun pachi thaun ligands magar ligands gasan asan in their alphabetical order. You will note it down that there must be no space between the central metal ion and the ligands. Space not must thaun kiya, you have to write down like this. Say for example we have Ag, there we have yet akoi type of ligands, so there is no problem of placing the ligands in their alphabetical order, but the space, there must be no space between the central metal ion and the ligands. So there it is. Now rule number 4 is important. Rule number 4 च बेटा वनान coordination spheres मज imsatan man ligands as thai. So then this is rule 4th or D. The rule is that the polyatomic ligands are placed in parentheses. Polyatomic ligands are placed in parentheses. See, yus me one example this बेलेग बतामिश formula we have CONH3 whole 4 and then S2O and then we had Cl and there it is Cl2 that is counter ion or simple ion. Beta yath maz chhi three types of ligands: NH3, ammonia, S2O, water or this is named as aqua, and then Cl negative. Out of the three ligands, the first two are polyatomic. Im godnik z ligands chi polyatomic. This comprises of 4 atoms, 1 nitrogen atom and 3 hydrogen atoms. This comprises of 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So it is polyatomic. And Cl negative ion it is monoatomic. Monoatomic ligands agar symbol is having there is no parenthesis kept for this monoatomic ligand, but polyatomic ligands in the irrespective of their number. Aksha, Zisha, Tresha, Tsuvarcha misal. Water molecule is a ligand, possesses lone pairs of electrons on oxygen and it is polyatomic ligand. Akui water molecule ch akastan zastan trastan chorastan im ch haun within the parenthesis small bracket must use karan. Ithe kain ammonia molecule ch polyatomic ligand kya as ihun number ag 2 3 4. Here we have 4 ammonia molecules, but ammonia molecule is a polyatomic ligand, so the formula of polyatomic ligand is placed in parenthesis. This is rule number 4. Shabash, immediately rule number 1 chuanan positive part as lekhavas formula followed by negative part irrespective of whether the positive part is simple ion or complex ion. Rule number 2 chuana coordination sphere within the square brackets, and this comprises of central metal atom or ion and the ligands. The ligands are added after central metal ion in the alphabetical order rule, and then we have the ligands are placed in the alphabetical order, that is rule number 3. And then rule number 4 is that the polyatomic ligands are placed in parentheses. Parentheses mas zaruri. Now rule number 5 or rule E is again for the ligands. That is actually an amendment of this rule number 4. Yeah, recommendation of this rule number 4. That rule tells us the abbreviated ligands agar kuni ligand abbreviation to use kariu are represented in parenthesis agar kuni ligand abbreviation to use shu karan in a ligands formula should have in terms of abbreviation, so abbreviation is within parentheses. See, we have quoted so many examples of the ligands along with the abbreviated form. Ethane 1,2-diamines abbreviation EN. Oxalate ions ka raat kisi lecture it is represented by OX. Likewise, we have ligands like diethylene triamine, tamich abbreviation DIN, triethylene tetraamine, there it is TRIEN. And then we have glycinate GLY use karan, ithaken pyridinous use karan PY. And then there are so many examples. Agar kuni ligand abbreviation form, ligand shonte havan in terms of abbreviation form. Abbreviation form enclose karan within parentheses. Agar to yaad aiswu yem saat chelation per example godnis this mein PTCl2 and then EN like this patus ba formula yit ke lekhan. To yat ma sari rules jivan. Rule number 1 there it is we have this is positive, this is actually neutral complexes motion problem ka. So we have this is it PTCl2 and then EN, central metal atom followed by ligands, and then the actual way of representation must be actually like this. It is EN and then we have Cl2. You should actually इसके formula is लिखेंगे. Sorry. This is like this PTCl2 and then EN. Yet must just ligand ethane choice unkenas abbreviation form use करमस for ethane 1,2-diamine तमिश formula मिलेशमस within parentheses. ध्यान थी वाज. Cl negative ions is Z both are into Cl2 polyatomic. Cl2 means there are two Cl negative ions acting as ligands. They have been added up, and then polyatomic ligand Cl2 like this can, because Cl2 should act as ligand, but these are actually two Cl negative ions. So the formula of monoatomic ligands have been kept without parenthesis. Polyatomic ligand ch ethane 1,2-diamine, tamich abbreviation ch use karmas, abbreviation ch haven hamesh katmas within parenthesis. Likewise, if I quote one more example, see, we have PTCl and then this is it, diethylene triamine, and then it carries 1 unit of positive charge. Agar atmas mein negatively charged ion kya aise, how we can put Cl negative here, Br negative, and then so on and so forth. Magar filhal to dhyan yah complex asmas che, this is complex ion, this is metal ion or metal atom followed by ligand, this is monoatomic ligand kept without parenthesis, and then we have polyatomic ligand, that is diethylene triamine. Tamich abbreviation chi mein use karmas shabash, kat mas ches use karmas within parenthesis. Now see, the ligands are placed in their alphabetical order. This is chloro and this is diethylene triamine. So there we are seeing that this is Cl, C, chloro, C, and then diethylene, and this is D. So then we are seeing that they have been kept in their alphabetical order, and along with the thing that the polyatomic ligand MHS abbreviation used karmas abbreviated formas agar kan ligand is havan ch such havan parenthesis mas. Similarly, agar it can ligands, there is oxalate Cr, and then we have C2O4, that is whole 3. Each a complex carrying 3 units of positive charge. Here central metal atom is chromium followed by polyatomic ligands which are the oxalate ions. Oxalate ion ch methamus within parenthesis kya is oxalate ion ch polyatomic ligand, and then the 3 indicators obviously that there are 3, the oxalate ions are 3 in number. Agar imish abbreviation formus use karo, that is telchi mein likhun CrOx whole 3. So OX stands for the abbreviation of oxalate ions, and then the abbreviation is always kept in parenthesis. There it is. So OX usually within parenthesis. So this is rule number E, which is actually an amendment or recommendation of rule number 4. Jaldi paham karo is revise. Name the positive part followed by negative part, whether the positive part is a simple ion or a complex ion. Obviously, if positive part is simple ion, negative part will be a complex ion. If positive part is complex ion, positive part is complex ion, negative part will be a simple ion. Rule number 2 chonan Shabashinzan coordination sphere cho sahajon within parentheses, within the square brackets. Rule number 3 chonan coordination spheres mein likhi hote coordinate central metal ion or atom followed by ligands, and ligands must be placed in their alphabetical order. And then rule number 4 chonan polyatomic ligands they must be kept in parenthesis. We are seeing that ammonia has been kept in parenthesis, water in parenthesis, and then Cl, which is monoatomic ligand, no parenthesis has been used. And rule number E is actually amendment of the rule number 4. It tells us that the abbreviated form of a ligand, if represented, that must be represented within parenthesis or expressly in parenthesis. As formula the abbreviation form must have in as parenthesis must. Shabash. So this is it. 5 rule I for writing the formula of Shabash, for writing the formula of a coordination compound. Shabash. Rule number 6 or rule F. ध्यान थे हज बेटा यकुन अगर कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड्स मज तो सिर्फ कॉम्प्लेक्स आयन हावान छु. Say for example we have FeCN6 simple ion waray agar to hawan chu complex formula hawan chu. So this carries 4 units of negative charge. It can actually show coordination compound like this K4FeCN6. 4 potassium ions and atmas, those are obviously simple ions. Coordinate bonds maujood asan within the coordination sphere. So agar ye part to alag haun chu, coordination sphere to alag haun chu. Agar coordination sphere as per charge was, so charge to haun, so represent karun at sit. मिसाल के तौर पर अगर ये डिसोसिएट गो इट विल गिव मी 4 times K पॉजिटिव सो विदाउट सिंपल आयॉन्स अगर ये फार्मूला मे हावन तेल हावन इट कैरीज 4 units ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्ज लाइकवाइज अगर only formula लेकिन में ऑफ complex part for this the coordination compound is CuNH3 whole 4 each coordination compound SO4 2 negative so this is the complex part this is simple part अगर तो simple part हावन छुन आत सित किहिन SO4 2 negative द्राव नेबर तेल रोज यत पर 2 units of positive charge so rule F क्या वनते rule F छु वनान while writing the formula of complex ion only so we can write it here while writing the formula of complex ion only shabash its charge at per kuta charges must be written outside square brackets square bracket neber kan chi likhun for example agar example the most we have FeCN6 this is 4 negative yeah CuNH3 whole 4 it carries 2 units of positive charge वाला है कि उन्हें complex part है इतने ये कैसे represent करूँ ना complex ion पर कुछ charge whether positive charge or negative charge rule number 7 is for this अगर complex part सूत तो हावन छु simple part थे simple ion hin charge gets asun tuta that must balance the charge on the complex ion misal ke taur par so we can write down here the simple ions are represented with complex part in such a way that it balances the charge of complex part you guess balance karum complex part of charge what does that mean that means if I have this complex part we have it FeCN6 carries 4 units of negative charge shabash agar asit positive part simple ion te shahavun say for example it is potassium carries 1 unit of positive charge so we will require 4 potassium ions so titya number of positive ions asan itin as lekin formula asmas yim sufficient enough asan to balance the overall charge of the complex ion likewise we have this complex and there it is CuNH3 whole 4 it carries 2 units of positive charge agar simple ion atmas add karin formula se simple ion se formula se titken lekhin ki yemikis positive charge so gas neutralize gasun so we have SO4 that carries 2 units of negative charge we will require only one SO4 2 negative ion to balance the charge pachani charge havne zurat hai iski so this is it the representation of coordination compound इथे के हम साथ में example this say for example if I have AgCN whole 2 this is complex part carries 1 unit of negative charge this is as per rule number F that while we write the formula of complex ion only the charge of the complex ion has to be represented outside the coordination sphere but if I want to represent the formula of the coordination compound in such a way that this simple ion is also included it carries 1 unit of negative charge say for example positively charged ion that is sodium it carries 1 unit of positive charge and this balances this negative charge now each how this is automatically understood that it carries 1 unit of positive charge this must contain 1 unit of negative charge so this is all about the formulation of coordination compounds. So I hope we understand coordination compound formula parenthesis use charge how complex part simple so this is all about formulation of coordination compounds. Tomorrow inshallah we will see the nomenclature of coordination compounds. Till then, take care. Thank you.